Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to publish a funnel in ClickFunnels. This is the final step to make your funnel live and ready for visitors. Let's start on your ClickFunnels dashboard. First, we need to go to your funnels. You can find them in the upper left part of your dashboard. Once you are there, simply click this option. Here, you will see the test funnel along with the funnel you have created. Now, click the funnel you want to publish. Let's go back to the funnels, and then we will click the Edit panel. You can find this on the right side of your screen using the gear button. To publish your funnel, turn on Live Mode Payments. If you ever want to stop processing real payments, you can always turn this off. Once you're ready, save this setting and your funnel will be published. Your funnel on ClickFunnels is now live. It will start working and go live right away. That's all it takes to publish a funnel in ClickFunnels. Your funnel is now ready to start capturing leads or making sales.